Welcome back to my another brand new video. Do you know how you can earn money online by using YouTube videos, by using like videos? So I'm showing you an app will pay you to like and watch YouTube videos and follow people on Instagram and much more. It works worldwide, not only for USA but for all countries, and it's really easy to help. And I'll explain exactly how it works. And if you stay until the end of the way to you, and I will help you to maximize your results. And now, even though this is a great way to make money online and it will not make you rich, see, if you want to build your own online businesses and that can constantly make you money even single day, and then I have created a step-by-step tutorial teaching you to exactly how you can do that. So one small thing before we started this video tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. So let's get into the video, and I'm talking about an app which you can either find it on Google Play Store or you can go over to the Play Store, search directly me for directly, or you can just go over to the app stores and also search for the same keyword, and it's available for both iOS and Android at the moment, and it's absolutely free to download and install. First, you have to install this app. Once you install this app, this is how it's gonna look like. And this is gonna look like once you open up the app, you can click on the registration button. So you can create a brand new account, and you can do so either by connecting your Google account or Microsoft account, whatever you want. So it's absolutely free and it requires just a one click of a button, and if you have none of this, just enter in email addresses and down below and create a unique password for your account. After that, they will ask you about your first name and last name, and they will ask you where you are coming from. And once again, at the moment they are accepting people from all over the world, so you should definitely be close to this video and learn each and every step, see exactly how this works, so you can go out there and start making money, and so you can take advantages of that early access, because this is absolutely free method and this is relatively new after that, and not a lot of people know about this issue, and so you should definitely take advantages of it. And if you stay until the end of the way to you, I will show you how you can maximize the result, so and earn even more money. So for now, once again, I will just sign up by Google account right here, and once you log in into your brand new account, and this is how it's gonna look like, and this is the dashboard where you can check your earning, and it's obviously going to say $0, and no earning are going to be $0 because it's a brand new account and I just wanted to test this out and like it's working or not. But yeah, here you can track your earning from 2 days, and you can track your earning from yesterday's and from the first 7 days and for the first month. And of course the balance is going to be down, and below you can see exactly how much money you made in total. In left hand side, you are going to be able to see these three lines that will represent like a menu. And before you get to do earning part, before you get to the part where you can like YouTube videos and comments and get paid for doing that, and I just wanted to select billing section, and second show you how to set up your payment methods. To select billing, and there will be able to set up how you want to get paid, of course. And for now, since your earning are probably $0 at the moment, and since it's a brand new account, and you won't be able to add your payment method, because as you can see, you don't need to add any payment method until your earning threshold has been raised, and as soon as you raise your payment threshold, you will be able to add payment method, and you can get paid. And you can also get paid through PayPal, which is really good, and so you can just enter PayPal email addresses, and as soon as you hit $25. And if you want to use, and now that you know where you can set up your payment method, and I want to once again click on those three lines, and each go to you earn a section right here. And so here you can get paid for doing all of these different stuff, like on social media, which means you can follow people on Instagram and get paid for doing that, and it can like Instagram post and get paid for doing that. And you can like Instagram videos, and you can like YouTube videos and leave your comment, watch a few videos and leave a Facebook like also, and do much and more and get paid for doing all of that stuff. And that's something that you probably already do. And even single day you can and you scroll through Instagram and like different posts, or you go through your QE, you watch different videos, now you can get paid. You should watch ads or whatever. You can actually watch funny YouTube videos and get paid for doing that as well. Now you can also make money by browsing websites, by watching videos and watching ads, which is really good because that just requires you to click on somehow show how to do it. And let's first do that. If you click on browser and websites videos, then ads, you click on earn button, that's gonna take you to the page and where you are going to get paid. And just like click at earn a button, and if it will open up another browser, I'll just show you how it looks like. And it's gonna open up and for example displayed right here, where you will be able to just stay on this page for a couple of seconds. And I mean, you can just leave your phone and decide. You don't have to go through the website itself, and you don't have to read anything or whatsoever. You just leave your phone and decide let the countdown, and if the countdown hits 0, and you will get paid and such an amount of money. And you can earn money with doing service or offers, though it takes a lot of time, but you will get paid. You will be able to select your end and to collect your earnings again and again. And you can also write comments and reviews. This is going to pay you even more money. And if you know how to write a decent comments and reviews, you can also do that and to maximize your result. You can also fill out surveys, which is something that I don't really recommend it, but as you can see, and you can use this method as we talked about in some of the earlier videos on this channel. So we came here to make money by you like YouTube videos and by commenting on YouTube videos and by watching YouTube videos. Just click on the earn button and like videos and watching videos, you will pay. You can get paid for subscribe to your YouTube channel, and you can get paid for watching YouTube videos. And we are following people on Instagram for liking Instagram posts and for watching Instagram videos and for leaving Facebook likes, for leaving Facebook shares videos and views. So you can get paid to watch TikTok videos as well. They also have Twitter and LinkedIn and Pinterest account and Spotify, Reddit and SoundCloud and so on. You can even get paid to listen to songs. You can listen to a song for absolutely free and get paid for doing that. And that's quite insane. I mean, I personally enjoy listening to music and every single day, but now I can open on this app and I can either go to Spotify, or I can go to SoundCloud and I can go to SoundCloud songs, and I can listen to music and get paid. It's obviously not going to be a lot of money, but it's really good and it's absolutely free. So as you can see, they have all these different social media platforms in which you can use and what you normally probably use every single day. And let's say, for example, I want to get paid to follow people on Instagram. What you simply need to do is just need to click on Instagram followers right here, and that will take me over to the next page where I can follow different accounts and get paid for doing that. And to do so, I just need to click on the earn button right here, and it is green earn button, and that will take me back to Instagram. And here I just need to click the follow button, so I can now click follow and I can go back to the end and wait until it's load. And you can see I have successfully earned 0.2 cent for following this page, and I will get paid over and over again. And that's just one of the job which you can complete on this website. As you saw, you have all these different social media platforms which is you can use, and you can take action and engage with all of these different social media platforms and earn money from all of them, from Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, Spotify, SoundCloud, and so on. And they also have a really nice referral program, and that can pay you pretty much a decent amount of money. And this is the new features, as you can see here on the left hand side, and they have the referral program, which is really good and going to pay you. And you can copy the link right here and share the app with your friends and family, and you can earn 12% of the amount they spent on their app, and which is really good, and it's a decent amount of money, as you can see, just for following two simple accounts. And you will be able to withdraw money. And now, as a promise to you, if you want to maximize your result in a highly recommended, you use this app as well. Another website called App Nana, and when you can find it either on the App Store or Google Play Store, because it's available for both iOS and Android phone, and this one is also absolutely free, and it's going to pay you for playing video games, which is really great, because not only do you have a chance to play some games, they are paid for some games, you would have to actually pay to play them, and but now you will actually get them for free, and as well get paid for playing those games, and which is really cute. Once again, earn credit with awesome apps and games you play. It's time to display different video games and going to get paid to decent amount of money. And it's obviously not going to make you rich, but a couple of dollars you can earn from your phone. I hope you did get some values out of this video. And if you are watching my video, drop a like, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe my channel, and I uploaded new content as always. And thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.